the All In campaign was an idea back in the day. I think we needed it when we were still part of the county by way of being managed by the supervisors. Then we thought we had the capacity to move forward, get a bond referendum that was going to help build the new buildings, and then we needed money to fill those buildings with the right programs. So the All In campaign became that essential mission to add. And we were a naive foundation. It was the first time we had ever thought about a campaign. And I am so proud of how that all worked out. It was not our doing. It was the way the institution grew and the leadership of the system. And then it was the great people who were attracted to the mission of the foundation and have taken that forward. We are now known as a valued jewel within the county. That means that also that people have felt they needed and wanted to support some of the mission. People invested in the Burn Center. People invested in our First Episode centers. People realize what it needs to be done, no matter who you are in this county. So that part has been so exciting. And the fact that we raised $54 million when the consultants told us maybe if we prayed a lot, we could get to 25 million. I am so thrilled with the way everybody worked together to make that happen.
If you think about it, a lot of people, the vast majority of the county, may not have driven by here. They likely will never be here. Yet the people here had a sense that they bought what we do here. If you think about the, financially vulnerable and underserved, you don't have to take care of. You either choose to or you don't. And people, via their philanthropy here, chose to honor and value that mission. Plus, we had a burn center with a staff that was world class. Now our facilities are so good, people are coming from other continents to see how to build a facility. That's this good, and we have the same staff. Still educating a lot of doctors. We have to have Valleywise to educate some of them on some things. So I'm proud. Look, we had a great staff, first to them. The campaign cabinet was good and worked hard and effectively. But beyond that, the biggest news here is the people of Maricopa County buy it, not for themselves, but for everybody else. And that's cool.
In the future, I hope that Valleywise Health, the whole system, and the foundation continue to grow. It would be wonderful if our services weren't needed, but it's one of those things in our lives that some of us are going to need very much. And if it's a tragic burn or a trauma or a baby that's born and needs our special neonatal intensive care unit, we're here for those folks. And all of the neighbors of Maricopa County are here for our neighbors.
And I'd say people are probably going to refer to new about this building, about the burn center, a lot of things for years, 5. I would wish 20 years from now, they wouldn't say new anymore. They'd say something like, Valleywise, aren't they good?